All right, so we're going to render a single image of our house. These are some things for you to check first. Make sure you're in fully rendered mode and check the whole house before you decide that everything is good to go. Because if any of those windows got painted over or if the groups, anything like that, you want to know that before you spend a lot of time with the next part. So we'll start off here with the top one, which is render properties. Make sure that under film, we've got transparency. Make sure that checkerboard is there. Then when we go down to the next one, our output properties, you can see that I'm at 100%. We can actually go to 200% to do a 4K image. So really nice high resolution. So we go down here, we don't need a lot of those. The global light, there needs to be more than one here. If it's set to just the original one, those shadows are too dark. So you need to find, based on your colors and where you position the other light, some detail in the shadows. That number will be different for different folks. And just working our way down, we've got our camera transform property. This is where the camera is. 0 on our number pad will look through the camera, and if you need to make some adjustments, because if there's some of the house cut off, this is really the best way to make those small adjustments, moving it left and right and front and back until you get maximum use out of every pixel. And then we need to render. So a couple different ways of doing that. I'm going to render an individual image. Brings up that second screen. When it's done rendering, you'll see the result here. Then we just go to Image and Save As, and make sure you have a folder named Output where that is going to be saved. You can see it's even bigger than my 1920 by 1080 screen, and so this is a really good picture to show off. It's nice when it matches your SketchUp view. In fact, some students are going back to SketchUp and getting this same point of view there and doing another 2D export so they can put them side by side. Image, Save As, and save it, and it should have the date code. I have in the assignment what a good name is, Blender, Simple House, and your name. And you save that image, and then you just attach that image to this assignment.